Hi, welcome to my sewing room. Today I have the sew sampler for August. So let's dig right in. I just cut the tape, but I haven't opened it yet. So Sparkle and Shine, August 2019. So let's see what's inside. There it is. This is the layer cakes. So this has a coupon for 20% off layer cakes, which I think that's the layer cakes because you see the same ad here, layer cakes. So we have August, Sparkle and Shine. Oh, I see some fun things in here. And if you follow me, you know I always do the fabric last. So this is the mini stash and store. I have the other one, the bigger one, by my sewing machine, and it is great. I wasn't sure about it when I first got it, but I use it all the time. I've got my scissors. Let's see, let's pull it over here. Here's the other one I got last time. Let's see, I have stuff in it by my sewing, which I'll probably put this by my sewing machine and put this one on my cutting table. So this is in lime green. If I can get it open, but I've just demolished the box. So here it is, the mini stash and store. Look how cute it is. Super cute. Got the scissors, my other little cutter, my pens, and my little cleaner for my sewing machine cleaner to get all the lint out, and my tweezers that I got in another box, and we can't forget our seam ripper. So that's what I have in mind. This one's going to work perfect by my sewing machine now. Okay, so what does it say about that? It says it's Sew Emma, number ISE-750. This retails for $7.98 and it is available in lots of colors. There's the color chart. So lots of great fun colors. Let's see. This looks interesting. Oh, this is just a little container. Oh, there's something in it. Oh So Clean brush and cloth set. 2 brushes, 1 microfiber cloth. Ooh, that's perfect for cleaning out my sewing machine. So it says Oh So Clean brush and cloth set. This is a sew sampler first. This sewing machine brush and cloth set will sweep you off your feet, or at least sweep deep into every nook and cranny of your sewing machine. Use the soft microfiber cloth to remove smudges and stubborn lint without scuffing or scratching. Retail value $8.98. So here is, and they're like, it's rubbery, so it's flexible. These will come in handy. This one's a longer one. And then the little cleaning brush, which has a quilt theme on it. Super cute. It's like mini sized. And it has It's Sew Emma on it. Cute, cute. I can definitely use that. This is Tear Perfect Maker Tape, all-purpose for sewing, quilting, crafts, and hobby. Tears easily in both directions. Judy Gauthier. Perfect for makers of all kinds. The bi-directional repositionable tape has unlimited uses. Oh, this is good for besides being good for so many things, I can use this for for when I do my embroidery on my embroidery machine. Like if you make zipper bags and things, if you buy the pattern that goes through the machine and you need to you need to hold down your zipper for your pouch or other things, this will work great. So I look forward to using that, because the other stuff I use always seems to, like when the machine goes over it, it pulls it off. So this says, you won't believe how much you can do with this all-purpose tape. This tape is gridded so that it tears easily in either direction, providing you with just the right amount each time. Makers love it for holding zippers in place, making templates and rulers, non-skid, and so much more. Retail value $8.98. This is from C&T Publishing, number 20336. Okay, we have a pattern in here. 2 patterns. We got Goodness Grows, Dig Deep, sponsored by Moda, Block 5. There's that. Let's see. Oh, on the back it says Corey Yoder. I guess that's the designer. You're invited to let goodness bloom in your heart block by block. Designed by Corey Yoder, this quilt will leave you so inspired to make positive things happen in your heart and cultivate your own personal garden of good. Limited quilt kits available. Get your Goodness Grows quilt kit and coordinating 80 weight applique Aurifil thread pack. This retails for $4.98. And this is the Diamond Divide quilt pattern. Violet Craft exclusively for Sew Sampler box. It says the Diamond Divide pattern is modern quilting at its shiniest. Violet breaks down this complex looking block into simple rectangles and triangles using simple foundation paper piecing. You will love the brilliant faceted effect of these blocks. We make it easy for you. We are offering a Diamond Divide foundation paper piecing set, so get started right away. This pattern retails for $9.98. And it comes with a paper pattern, you know, like putting in the paper. And here's what that looks like. Okay, now the fabric. This is Violet Craft Modern Classics. Fat Quarter Shop exclusive, 20 pieces. Sew Sampler box. Let's see. It says bright colors and clean designs max out the modern vibe in Violet Craft Modern Classics collection for Robert Kaufman. From dense cross-hatched lines to retro starbursts, we are in love with these clever new classics. With an assortment of colors at your fingertips, this pack of 20 10-inch squares is primed and ready for your next modern quilt affair, like the Diamond Divide by Violet Craft, this month's Sew Sampler exclusive. Retail value $18.98. The pattern looks to be the same, and it is just a rainbow of colors. Let's see here. Oh, there's some stars. I was wrong. All I could see here was the lines, so, and of course we can't get a hold of it. And we got some dots. I like the stars. Okay, that is everything. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments. And I'm not sure if I will have a video next month. If I do, it'll be really late because I'm having some surgery that I'm dreading, but it's gotta be done. So, and it's gonna be around the time of that the box comes, so I will either be really late or not do it at all. We'll have to see how I feel. So, thanks so much for stopping by. I really like the box. Some things I don't have. I do like this. This is perfect because I don't have a lot of room on my sewing table. So this will come in handy for that. And that is everything. So I will see you again soon. Bye.